In the vibrant tapestry of global commerce, few industries have woven themselves into the fabric of national identity as profoundly as Bangladesh's apparel sector. With its rich history and robust production capabilities, Bangladesh stands at a critical juncture, poised to transcend its role as a manufacturing hub and emerge as a global apparel brand in its own right. The call for Bangladesh to cultivate its own brands is not merely a matter of economic ambition. It is a vital step toward sustainability, innovation, and identity in an increasingly competitive marketplace. Historically, Bangladesh has been synonymous with low-cost labor and high-volume production. This reputation, while instrumental in catapulting the country to the forefront of the global apparel industry, has also tethered it to a cycle of dependency on foreign brands. The time has come to break free from this paradigm. By investing in local brands, Bangladesh can harness its unique cultural heritage and craftsmanship, creating products that resonate with consumers on a personal level. This shift would not only enhance the country's economic resilience, but also empower local artisans and designers, fostering a sense of pride and ownership among its people. The global fashion landscape is evolving, with consumers increasingly prioritizing sustainability, ethical production, and authenticity. Bangladesh, with its rich textile traditions and vibrant craftsmanship, is uniquely positioned to respond to these demands. By developing its own brands, the country can leverage its strengths, promoting eco-friendly practices and fair labor conditions. This approach aligns with the growing global trend of conscious consumerism, where shoppers seek to support brands that reflect their values. A Bangladeshi global brand could embody these principles, showcasing the nation's commitment to ethical practices while celebrating its cultural heritage. Moreover, the rise of digital technology presents an unprecedented opportunity for Bangladeshi entrepreneurs. E-commerce platforms and social media have transformed the way brands connect with consumers, allowing for direct engagement and personalized experiences. By harnessing these tools, local brands can reach global audiences, telling their stories and sharing their unique offerings with the world. The power of storytelling cannot be underestimated in this context. It is the narrative behind a brand that often resonates most deeply with consumers. By crafting compelling narratives that highlight the craftsmanship, sustainability, and cultural significance of their products, Bangladeshi brands can carve out a niche in the crowded global marketplace. Furthermore, establishing a global apparel brand would stimulate innovation within the industry. As local designers and entrepreneurs take the reins, they will be encouraged to experiment with new materials, designs, and technologies. This spirit of innovation is essential for keeping pace with global trends and consumer preferences. By fostering a culture of creativity and experimentation, Bangladesh can position itself as a leader in the fashion industry, attracting investment and talent from around the world. The journey toward building a global apparel brand will not be without its challenges. Infrastructure, access to financing, and skilled labor are critical components that need to be addressed. However, with the right policies and support from both the government and private sector, these obstacles can be surmounted. Collaborative efforts between educational institutions and the industry can help nurture the next generation of designers and entrepreneurs, ensuring that the country's creative potential is fully realized. In conclusion, the time has come for Bangladesh to step into the spotlight as a global apparel brand. By embracing its heritage, prioritizing sustainability, leveraging technology, and fostering innovation, the country can redefine its position in the global market. This endeavor is not just about economic growth. It is about crafting a narrative that reflects the spirit and resilience of the Bangladeshi people. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the opportunity for Bangladesh to shine as a beacon of creativity and ethical production has never been more attainable. It is a journey worth embarking on, one that promises to reshape the future of the nation and its place in the world.